Welcome to the Sequoia Onboarding Guide. As our Sequoia lending family grows, we want to ensure that you always have the help you need, right when you need it. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to find help. Let's begin. For all your regular inquiries, email is a quick and easy way to reach us. Whether you have questions, suggestions, or feedback, our team at support@seclending.com is always eager to help. Sometimes, it's more reassuring to hear a friendly voice on the other end. You can call our dedicated customer service team at 240-200-0845. Our customer service is now available from Monday to Friday between 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. During these hours, we're all ears, ready to assist you and guide you every step of the way. At Sequoia Lending, we value every member of our growing community. Your questions, concerns, and insights are vital to us. Remember, whether it's through an email or a call, we're here for you. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.